So hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you nothing new. I'm going to show you an old video on Crompton Grips Aura AntiDust ceiling fan of 2017 model. So actually I have unboxed this fan and took a video in 2017 at my relative's house, but due to the time and whatever might be, I failed to upload it till now. So today I have uploaded it. So as you can see, this fan is a 2017 piece. So this fan have a thick bolt, that is the M8 bolt in the down rod. Watch the video and you will get to know. I am giving you the hints of the fan. So and whatever might be, it's have a cylindrical capacitor also of brand and nothing more. So just enjoy the video and just keep an eye on the build quality of 2017 versus the 2020 pieces. You will notice there is a change in build quality, but nothing like that. So there is an improvement also, there is anything. So just have a look. So my cousin had a polar beta brown ceiling fan in this spot where I am putting the Aura. So I will show you the beta brown later. So that beta brown was 56-inch and that was incompatible with 48-inch blades because it was a 16 pole motor. So due to the damage of the 56 blades, they discarded the fan. I have the motor. So whatever might be, I have suggested them the Aura. So it's a great choice for them also, and their the size of the room also. So and another thing is that so they discarded the polar due to the winding got burnt. So whatever might be, that's a very old polar of 1990s, I think 1992 or 1993, whatever might be. So watch this video till the last and I will show you what's the performance of this Aura Dusky Brown. Wow, the performance of the fan is really awesome. It blows a very good wind. So if you want a fan for your room with good air surround and good airflow under the fan, then this Aura is a very good choice for your room. And if you don't want any deco fan, then go for the Jura. And if you want little bit cheaper fan, then go for the Crompton Grips high speed. I feel the high speed, the Jura, the high speed Decor and the Aura are the fastest fan available in the market. So whatever might be, what do you guys think? Please place the comments in the comment section and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Please like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So thank you guys.